The beautiful container house you are watching on the screen. In this video I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details, so keep watching the video. So this is the floor plan of the house. There is a 40 feet 2 containers. The total area I have taken is the length is 40 feet in meter 12.19 meter and the width is 16 feet in meter 4.87 meter. So we have a sliding door here in the front, and after that we will go inside. So we have living plus kitchen cum dining area. You can see here the sofa arrangement, tea table arrangement, chair arrangement, and also TV on the front wall. And we have kitchen cabinet with burner, sink and refrigerator arrangement. On the left side we have a dining counter with 2 chairs and a library section here, and we have 2 large size window for ventilation and light purpose of this area. After that we'll go on the right side. So we have bedroom number 1 here. You can see here the bed arrangement and also wardrobe arrangement, and we have 2 large size window for ventilation of this room. Also we have a attached washroom plus water closet here. You can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area, and we have a ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. After that we will go on the left side. So we have common use washroom plus water closet here. You can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area, and we have a ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. This is a common use washroom plus water closet, and on the left side we have bedroom number 2 here. You can see here the bed arrangement and also wardrobe, and we have a large glass panel here for light and ventilation purpose. Also we have a attached washroom plus water closet here with this room. You can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area, and we have a ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. So this is the floor plan of the house you are watching on the screen. If you want your free house design, so comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.